Attention, all New Hope youth. I'm Minister Chris. Just want to take a few seconds to tell you everything that we got going on for you this summer, okay? Now, we would like for you to come out and grow with us. Now, GROW stands for God Rewards Our Work. So, here's how we're going to be doing that. We're going to spend time learning God's Word. We're going to spend time serving God's people. And then we're just going to spend time together and loving fellowship. Now, on July 18th, our Bible study is going to kick off. It's going to run from July 18th to August 15th. Your attendance at that Bible study will get you a discount towards your admission to Cedar Point. And that Cedar Point trip is going to take place on August 11th. Now, the Bible study series, the theme is going to be the power in prayer. So come out, learn about the power of prayer and the power in prayer. Also, on July 24th, we got a 3-on-3 volleyball tournament going down at the church picnic, open to all. You can get registered for that on this Sunday at the information table during 7:30 and 10:45 worship. Come out with your A game. Nobody wants to get embarrassed on the court. I won't be playing, so you might have a better chance to win. But nonetheless, make sure you come out. Look, how about this? Check out this email that's going to follow this video. It's going to have all the details you need. If you miss out, I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully you don't. Check out the information. I'll see you soon.